Hello and welcome. I'm George Crump, Lead Analyst with Storage Switzerland. Today we're going to be updating our test drive of the CTERA Cloud Attached NASD. We've been doing a lot of different things with the product actually. It's very robust. But our last test we showed some backups happening using their agent-based backup capability. They also have a non-agent-based option if you choose to go that route as well. So we're going to show one of the hanging items in that last video was completion of the cloud backup. So we're going to show that. And then also we're just going to give you an overview of what we're doing so far with the product. So first up, let's jump over to the interface. And you can see here, it's our normal dashboard that we've been familiar with the product. So let's take a quick look at the cloud backup just to resolve that. So we select Control Panel, and you can see here that we've been backing up fine. All the backups have been completed successfully. So everything's working great there. And these are backups that are from our agents that we're backing up, replicating into the cloud. So the way that works is you select folders on your device to be the backup. So we created a backup that the agents are backing up to that you can see here. There's a folder called Agents and then the different systems. So right now we're just replicating the one system to it, and that happens to be this virtual machine right here, which is a Windows 2008 server. And you can see that we did our backup almost a day ago now, and that it completed successfully. And actually it's getting ready to run here in just another hour or so. So again, things are going well there. I'm going to go ahead and kick this off now so that we can get a look at the replication job happening again. So we'll get that going. It creates a snapshot first and then starts transferring files. The other thing we can do, if we wanted to, we've got some of these shares are being used as traditional file shares, and others that we're just copying data to. You can see here we have a Macintosh only share, we have an NFS share, and of course we have our normal CIF share. Basically, these are just daily copies from different test jobs that we're doing. I've only got one going right now, so if I wanted to select another one and have that one now back up, you can see that this checkbox has occurred. So that works real well. We can select the whole volume or just individual folders. So you have a lot of control over what goes to the cloud. You can see our cloud usage here is about 18 gigs of 100 gigs. So we have a lot of space to play with, and obviously in a production environment you might have. So that's the backup process and how the cloud portion of that works. Just as a review, the agent backup is done here, and you can see we had kicked off a job right here and it's running right now. It's about 3% done. And it's a file level backup. You can see that we also have two other systems being backed up. All of those are getting ready to go off as well. We were doing, on some of them we're doing disk level backups, and others we're doing file level backups. So all of those tend to be working very, very well. You can see that snapshot's been done, and we've got about 892 megabytes of actual data actually a little bit more than that, to transfer. So that's how that works. Again, very straightforward, very simple to use. So overall the product is working very, very well. We're not having any issues at all. In future videos we'll look at some of the other options, like using it as an iSCSI device or things like that. But for now, rock solid, easy to use, solid backups, works great as a NAS share, and then everything replicated to the cloud really solves a lot of problems for the business. This is George Crump, Lead Analyst with Storage Switzerland. Thank you for tuning in.